Very good morning to all of you. Hope all are fine. Now we start chapter 2 of class 7, that is fraction and decimals. So what is fraction? Fraction is combination of numerator upon denominator. So fraction is of three types. First proper fraction, second improper fraction, third mixed fraction. First proper fraction. Proper fraction is in which denominator is greater than numerator, means denominator is greater than numerator. Example 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4 and so on. So in this case this is numerator and this is denominator. So denominator is always greater than numerator, right? Second, improper fraction. Improper fraction means denominator is less than numerator. For example, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 3 and so on. So denominator is always less than numerator, right? And third, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is same of improper fraction, means denominator is less than numerator and equal to numerator. One more condition is that either denominator is less than numerator or equal to numerator. For example, see this 3 upon 2 or 3 upon 3. In first case, denominator is less than numerator, or second case denominator is same as numerator. So 3 upon 2 we can write 1 upon 2. If we divide 3 divided by 2, so answer is 1 upon 2. So this 1 and 1 upon 2 is called mixed fraction. Okay. Now we start exercise 2.1. First question, solve in first question 7 part is there. So first, third, fifth and 7th part I am doing. First, see this 2 minus 3 upon 5. So 2 in denominator, no value is there, you have to write 1 minus 3 upon 5, right? So you have to take LCM 1 and 5. You have to take LCM 1 and 5. LCM is 5. So first 1 divided by 5. First you divide it and then multiply. Okay. So first 1 divided by 5, that is 5 multiplied by 2, 10, minus 5 divided by 5, 1, and 1 multiplied by 3, 3. So 10 minus 3, 7 upon 5. This is proper or improper fraction? This is improper fraction. Or you have to write 7 upon 5. So you divide 5 divided by 7. 5 1 5, 2 remainder. So you have to write 1 2 upon 5. This is mixed fraction. Okay. Either you write this or you write this. Okay. Then third question. Third question is that 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7. You have to take LCM of 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 LCM. First 5, 1, 7. Then 7, 1, 1. So LCM of 5 and 7. 7 5 is 35. So 5 and 7 LCM is 35. Right? First 5 divided by 7. 35. When 5 divided by 35, 7 times 7 multiplied by 3. 7 is 21 plus 7 divided by 35, 5 multiplied by 2, 10. So 21 plus 10, 31 upon 35. This is answer. So 31 upon 35 is proper fraction. Okay. Then third question, fifth question. LCM of 10, 5 and 2. So you have to take LCM of 10, 5 and 2. LCM is 10. 10, 5 and 2. First divided by 2, 5. 5, 1. Then 5, 1, 1, 1. So LCM of 10, 5 and 2 is 10. Then 10 divided by 10, 1. 1 into 7, 7. 5 divided by 10, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Plus 2 divided by 10, 5. 5 into 3, 15. So 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 15 upon 10. So 11 plus 15, that is 26. Either 26 upon 10, this is improper fraction, or when you divide 10 divided by 26, or you write mixed fraction. So 2, 6 upon 10. This is 2, first quotient, then remainder, and then this. Okay. So 2, 6 upon 10. I will write this answer or write that answer. Okay. Then 60%, 2 upon 3 plus 3, 1 upon 2. So this is mixed fraction. In mixed fraction you convert into first proper or improper fraction. Means improper fraction. Okay. Because mixed fraction is also type of improper fraction. First 3 multiplied by 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So that is 8 upon 3. First 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 upon 3. Plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 upon 2. So you have to take LCM 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is 3 and 2. LCM 2 and 1, that is 3, 1 and 1. 3 into 2, 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 3 divided by 6, 2 times 2 multiplied by 8, 16. Plus 2 divided by 6, 3 times 3 multiplied by 7, 21. Right? 21 plus 16, 37 upon 6. Or you write 37 upon 6, or 60 divided by 37. 6 into 6, 36. 1. First quotient, then remainder, and then dividend. Okay? 6 is 1 upon 6. Or seventh question, 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 1, 17 upon 2. Minus 8 into 3, 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 5, 29 upon 8. Right? You have to take LCM 2 and 8. So LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Right? 2 and 8. First divided by 2, 1 and 4. Then 2, 1 and 2, and then 2, 1 and 1. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. So that is 8. 2 divided by 8. 4 times 4 into 17. 4 into 17, 68. 8 divided by 8, 1. That is 29. 68 minus 29. 39 upon 8. 39 upon 8. Or this is improper fraction, and improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. So 8 divided by 39. So 8 4 the 32, 7. So first quotient, then remainder, and then degree. All of you understood? Then question number 2, arrange in descending order. First question 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3, 8 upon 21. And second question is that 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 7 upon 10. So first, what is ascending order or descending order? So descending order means bigger value to smaller value, right? And ascending order means ascending order or increasing order, both are same. Ascending order means smaller value to bigger value, right? So descending order means bigger value to smaller value, and ascending order means smaller value to bigger value. In ascending order, sign is that we have to put this sign, and ascending order you have to put sign this sign. Okay, then in this question ascending order, in ascending order, first take LCM. 9 3 21. You have to take LCM of 9 3 and 21. 9 3 and 21. You have to take LCM first. So 3 to 3, 9, 3 1 ja 3 and 7. Again 3, 1, 1, 7, then 7. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is 7 3 ja 21. 21 into 3, that is 63. 3 into 3, 9, 9 7 ja 63. So LCM or you have to take LCM of 9, 3 and 21. So you have to take LCM, that is 63, right? 63. First 9 divided by 63. So when 9 divided by 63, 7 times, 7 into 2, 14, right? Then 3 divided by 63, 21 into 2, 42, right? Then third 21 divided by 63, 3 times, 8 into 3, 24, right? In you have to arrange in descending order. In descending order, bigger value comes first. So bigger value is 24 upon 63 is common. Then in descending order, always put this sign. Then after that 42. First bigger value is 42 upon 63. Bigger value, put that sign. Then 24 upon 63, and then last is 14 upon 63. Or 42 upon 63, which value is 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3. Then 24 upon 63, last value is 8 upon 21. and last 14 upon 63. 14 is this. 14 is 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9. Right? Then question number second part, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7 and 7 upon 10. So LCM of 5, 7 and 10 is, you have to take LCM of 5, 7 and 10. First divided by 2, 5, 7 and then 5. You got 2 divided by 10, that is 5. Then 5, 1, 7, 1. Then 7, 1, 1, 1. So LCM is 7 5 is 35, 35 2 is 70, or 2 5 is 10, 10 into 7, 70. So LCM is 70. Right? So 70. 5 divided by 70. How much? 5 divided by 70. 5 1 is 5, 2 0 means 14. 14 multiplied by 1. So 14 into 1, 14. 7 divided by 70. 10 times, 10 into 3, 30. Then 10 divided by 70. 7 times, 7 into 7, 49. So in arrange descending order, bigger value comes first. So in this case, which value is bigger? 49 upon 70. In descending order, this sign comes. Then 30 upon 70. And last 14 upon 70. Or 49 upon 70, last 49. 49 means 7 upon 10. 30 upon 70, 30 is 3 upon 7. And last is 49. 49 is 1 upon 5. Either you write this, or you write this, or you write both.